Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to the Motorcycle Enhancements booth at the North American International Motorcycle Super Show. We're going to go do a walk around the booth today. We'll say hello to Panda. Hey Panda, how you doing? You guarding the place? You gonna be a good boy today? I'd like to show you this radical. Here's the sign, Raducati, and there's some information there. You may want to pause the video to read that info, and I'll do a little walk around. This 1979 Honda Cb750 that we've done up for a client, and it turned out super fabulous. We've got a Yamaha R6 front end over here with the a couple of killer Street Fighter lights and bar end mirrors and some cool levers and matching grips and blacked out motor and custom exhaust, custom baffles, and the nice touch is the single side swing arm, custom cowl, and seat painted with the a gold leaf inlay underneath the clear coat. Ducati suspension, and here's the back end of the cowl. Your single side swing arm, custom foot controls, rear sets, carburetors are all been redone, and this thing purrs like a kitten. Well, growls like a lion, actually. We'll move on to the next bike. Here we have 2004 Heritage Softail. Low and mean. Beach bars. Custom fitted wheels, contour wheels. Exhaust. Beautiful alligator skin seat. Lots of chrome. Those tailpipes are killer. I particularly love the emblem on the side of the tank. It sits nice and low. It's a nostalgic look. Custom spoke rotors, fork covers, all in chrome. Beautiful bike. Next we have this 2017 Harley Road Glide that we've done up for another client. That's beautifully done. The long sweeping fenders and saddlebags, air ride suspension, that's why she sits so low. Stretch tank, speakers for stereo system. We'll be adding a few more items to this beautiful black beauty. I'll show you the exhaust on the other side. It's pretty sweet. And all this work can be done at Motorcycle Enhancements, located in Oakville, Ontario. Beautiful air cleaner. Exhaust system, chrome all in the right places. There you have it. Oh, we've got one more little beauty over here. Steampunk Ratbike. Lots of little details on this one as well. Custom made frame, all handmade, TIG welded. Chevy 409 valve covers as a gas tank. There's copper everywhere. All the wires are hidden. We got oil lines going through copper, air lines going through copper, gas line going through copper, and yeah, everything's going through the copper lines. And I'll zoom in on the sign. If you get a chance, you can read that. Pause the video, and lots of little details there. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video. Do share it if you can. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.